Hi, to change keyboard language on the Xiaomi Redmi 10, firstly trigger your keyboard. For that you can open Messages app, something like that, or just enable app drawer, tap on the search bar, and here is the keyboard. So now we need to simply tap this settings icon above the keyboard like that and go in the languages section. And here you'll see the list of your languages for the keyboard. To add new one, just tap this option, select any from the list, for example, let's look Czech, and here we can choose type of this keyboard and enable multilingual typing, so to automatically display word suggestions while you type with English language, or we can disable it like that. And now to add it, we will need to tap the done button, and here it is. And now to change the language, we would need to simply tap this globe icon which you can see on your keyboard, and now we got a Czech language. Tap again and here is English. If you want to delete the second language, just go in the settings, select languages as we did before, tap this pen icon, select the Czech language and move it to the recycle bin. Or you can also reorder them if you just hold the lines and drag it onto the first place. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.